Here are, Mo, look, our fans are out here. Here are some end of the year sales that'll make it easy and inexpensive way to give your home a glow up. New home decor can go a long way for making your house look updated to new buyers, and the end of the year sales mean that you can snag some new decor at major discounts. Here's some. Want to share some of our favorite sales and check out these places. The Home Superstore. Here you can shop for wall art, wall accents, rugs, pillows, and clearance items. Wayfair. It's great to shop online, and its sister shop Joss and Maine are top favorites for great home necessities. If you can find they have serious deep discounts. Mo's not interested anymore. They have mattresses, spas, saunas, all sorts of things that could spruce up your home. Lumber Liquidators. Who wouldn't want to spruce up their home's floor? Lumber Liquidators is a great, and it's worth a visit. The deals are incredible. That makes it easy for you to choose something that fits your home and adds value. Hardwood, luxury vinyl, cork, or laminate are great things to do for adding value to your home. Picture the flooring in your own home and let's see it make it work. Don't forget the big Sandy Superstore if you're looking for new appliances. This place is amazing and has a great section. They always have great deals. And oh, by the way, before you make a big purchase, make sure you chat with me before you invest to confirm that it is going to be your best return on investment. Hey, it's Annette Marble and Mo Marble here, your favorite key real estate agent and favorite pug in and around Columbus, Ohio. And if you are reselling, the resale value is on your mind, you want to always ask for the best advice on what you're going to update. Don't spend all that money and just throw it out the window and think, wow, this is going to spruce up my home. And then it really isn't going to add any much value to it. So click below and I'll send you a link if you want some of my things that will add a return on investment checklist. And as always, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.